Welcome to SVFF, tiếng Việt chọn miền Nam cho người nước ngoài. Chào mọi người, mình tên là Thảo Nguyên. Today we will learn about how to use the words and dạ. Let's watch the conversation. Dạ, em chào chị. Chị muốn uống gì ạ?
Cho chị một ly cà phê.
Dạ, chị uống cà phê nóng hay cà phê đá ạ?
Cho chị cà phê đá.
Dạ.
Ít đá thôi nha.
Dạ, chị ngồi đợi chút xíu. Em sẽ mang ra cho chị ạ.
Cảm ơn em.
Dạ. In Vietnamese, and dạ are particles used to show respect to the person you are talking to, usually someone who is older or higher social class. They are part of the politeness language norms and are considered formal. Dạ is used to say yes in polite manner. It's equivalent to say yes or yes sir or yes madam in English. For example, if someone asks you, em ăn cơm chưa? You could respond, dạ, em đã ăn rồi ạ. More examples. Em chạy xe máy được không? Dạ, được. Another one. Em lấy giùm chị ly nước nha. Dạ. When you are not responding affirmatively, dạ can still be used at the beginning of a sentence to show politeness. For instance, ngày mai mình đi xem phim nha. Dạ, tiếc quá. Mai em bận rồi. Em không đi được. And the second one is the word is a particular that is often placed at the end of the sentences to show respect. It doesn't have the direct translation in English, but thinks of it as similar to attention or madam at the end of a sentence to show respect. Often used in customer services. For example, anh muốn uống gì ạ? Or em chào anh ạ. And the last one is em sẽ mang ra cho chị ạ. Both words dạ and can also be used in statements, not just in response or questions. The use of these words is flexible and largely depends on the context and the relationship between the speakers. There is a note. Sometimes and dạ can be used in one sentence to make the sentence even more polite. For example, dạ, anh muốn uống gì ạ?
Next, it's practice time.
Listen and then make these sentences sound more polite. Số 1. Cho em một ly nước. Số 2. Em chưa ăn cơm. Số 3. Anh ngồi đợi một chút. Số 4. Em không đi được. Okay, comment your answer below and we will check them out.
Did you know that within just 3 months of learning Vietnamese one-on-one with us, we can help you communicate in simple Vietnamese? Ready to get started? Register for a free 30-minute trial here and take the first step towards mastering Vietnamese.
See you next time. Cảm ơn. Chào bạn.
Thousands of Vietnamese learners have successfully achieved the goal learning Vietnamese with SVFF. You can do it too. Join us for a free 30 minutes trial here.